Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. I am a mindset and manifestation coach, and I am here to help you step into your desired reality and consciously create that desired reality. All right, let's get right to it. This video, I'm going to read you a passage from the book Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard and talk about how to use his teachings when you are manifesting. All right. I will read the passage and then we're going to dive into how to utilize it. Realization of your wish is accomplished by assuming the wish fulfilled. You cannot fail unless you fail to convince yourself of the reality of your wish. A change of belief is confirmed by a change of expression. So what does this mean? This means you are assuming that your wish is already done. And the only way your manifestation is not going to happen is if you convince yourself that it's not. Or you start to allow doubts or fears or negative circumstances to take that over. And you start to think and assume it's not going to happen, or it's impossible, or all of this is happening around me, so my manifestation can't happen. You are assuming that, and you are blocking it from manifesting into your reality. So the trick here is a change of belief is confirmed by a change of expression. You have to change the way you're thinking, the way you're believing, the way you're feeling, what you're doing, how you're showing up. You must align with that version of yourself that already has your wish. So, realization of the wish is accomplished by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So, you must assume it. Once you assume it and you believe in that assumption, you think positive thoughts around it, you are going to feel good. And when you're feeling good, that is aligning with that version of you that would have what you desire, because we feel good when we are accomplished, or when we receive our manifestation. We feel good, we feel aligned, we feel vibrant, our vibration is high, we're thinking positive thoughts, we're assuming positive, we are showing up in a way that we are going to feel good. So show up in that way every single day, that it's done, it's yours, nothing can stop you, nothing can stop your manifestation from happening, no matter what you face in your reality. Currently, if everything is crashing down around you, the key here is to stay focused on what you want to create in the positive, and create those positive assumptions and do the things that are going to help you feel good, and continue to bask in that every day. Bask in imagining it, feeling it, thinking it, believing it. I am already the version of me that has it. So think about that. If you are already the version of you that has it, would you be doubting yourself right now? Would you be doubting your manifestation? No. So train your mind and consciously create this. When you are consciously creating, you are aware of when doubts and fears pop up, and you can reject it and say, no way, stop that, and refocus, because what you focus on is going to expand. The more you focus on that, the more it's going to be attracted into your life. The more you allow the negative and the doubts and the fears to take over, the more it is going to take over. Continue to walk the path of feeling good and knowing it, believing it, trusting it, and the universe will provide. And when you sink into that, I know I am taken care of. I know I am protected. I know things are working out for me. Continue on that path and continue to release negative circumstances, because when they come up, this is when it gets challenging. It's easier to focus on it and say, oh, okay, it's never going to happen. It takes the persistence to focus on the difference and continue to build new beliefs within yourself until it becomes dominant. And when you do that, things will shift. You just have to stick with it. You have to persist in that. You have to do the things that are going to make you feel good. You have to show up as the version of you that is thriving. What would the version of you that is thriving be doing right now? Would that version of you be sad and sitting in that things are happening to me and that things are never working out? Or no, the version of you that is thriving is saying, I got this. I am feeling good. Things are working out for me. Things are happening for me. I am attracting great things into my life. Opportunities always flow to me, and it feels amazing. On repeat. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Like and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.